Kale Fruit Popsicles. And frozen fruit. Whoa. Whoa, you're so strong. You are so strong with that. Oh, when you were strong. When you were... Is that frozen?
Go ahead.
Spinny.
What is that?
Kale
Kale and spinach. Okay.
Put that in there.
And what else?
Mayonnaise.
And last?
Wow. It's going down a blending.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to put the bottom on. Whoopsies.
And Waddy. Whoa. Whoa, Waddy girl. Now we need this.
Okay, now are we ready to blend it?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it in a popsicle mold.
Okay, there you go. Pour it in.
That may be a lot. That may be a lot.
Now what are you going to do?
Now you spread it out. Wow! Popsicle. Popsicle.
There you go. Now spread it out.
Today we're making popsicles.
Is it yummy?
Yes. And boop! Here comes into popsicle. Here comes into popsicle.
Put all the tops on.
You didn't. There's only 3 left.
He's sneaky. I think that one's upside down, babe.
You sneaky. You sneaky boo. Hey! Be a little sneaky boo in her popsicles. There's 2 popsicles in there. 1. And here, this has some popsicles in it.
Yeah. Where are we going to put the popsicles?
Freezer.
Yeah, what happens in the freezer?
It's frozen.
Oh, and when will they be ready to eat?
After nap time. I love popsicles. They're good. I love popsicles. See you after nap time. Or there we go. Clean up.
What was in your popsicles, Kins? What kind of fruit?
Mangoes and strawberries and peaches.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! The popsicles are ready. They're ready. Mango pineapple. Whoa! Mango pineapple. Whoa! Mommy, I need help taking one out, please.
Okay, Susie. Ooh. Okay, give it a try.
Pineapple. Ooh.
Yummy?
Yes. Highly recommended. The kids are gonna love them. See you after nap time. Whoa. So heavy. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know it. Oh, some snow. I didn't know what's going to freeze in the mat. We'll have to take a bath.